Welcome to DATEIF, your go-to channel for practical Excel tutorials designed for real-world tasks. Today we'll explore powerful date functions that simplify calculations and streamline decision-making. Our data includes the following columns. Name lists the names of employees. Joining date displays the date each employee started working. Basic salary shows their initial salary when they joined. Number of months, days, and years. These are calculated based on the employee's joining date up to a reference date, which is set as on today, for example, December 4, 2024. Promotion eligibility indicates whether the employee qualifies for a promotion. The eligibility is determined by years of service. If the employee has been in service for more than 10 years, they are marked as eligible for promotion. Using these columns, we can analyze the tenure, calculate detailed service durations, and determine who qualifies for advancement, making this table both functional and insightful. To calculate the total months of service for an employee, we'll use the DATEIF function. Here's how you do it. 1. Begin by typing an equal sign in the formula bar. 2. Then type DATEIF followed by an opening parentheses. 3. Next, click on the cell containing the joining date. This serves as the start date. Add a comma to separate the arguments. 4. Now, click on the cell labelled as on today, which acts as the end date. Add another comma. 5. Inside double quotes, type the letter M. This tells Excel to calculate the difference in full months. 7. Finally, close the parentheses and hit enter. This formula instantly calculates the number of months worked by an employee, making your analysis smooth and precise. Now, let's construct the formula to calculate the number of days an employee has been in service. 1. Place the cursor on the first cell under the number of days column. 2. Type an equal sign equals to begin the formula. 3. Next, type DATEIF followed by an opening parentheses. 4. Click on the cell under the joining date column for the specific employee to reference their start date. 5. Add a comma and then click on the cell labelled as on today to set the reference date for the calculation. 6. Add another comma and type D in double quotes, indicating you want the result in days. 7. Close to complete the formula. Hit enter and Excel will instantly calculate the total number of days the employee has been in service. This simple formula ensures precision and saves time when working with large data sets. In the same way, we can construct the formula to calculate the number of years an employee has been in service. Calculate promotion eligibility based on years of service. We've used a simple and effective if function. Here's how it works. The formula is equal G5 times 10 eligible, not eligible. The if function checks a condition, which in this case is whether the number of years in cell G5 is greater than 10. If the condition is true, it returns the text eligible star. If the condition is false, it returns the text not eligible. This formula instantly determines whether an employee qualifies for promotion based on their years of service, making it a quick and reliable tool for HR or performance reviews. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Excel date functions. We hope you found it practical and useful for your everyday tasks. Don't forget to explore how these powerful functions can simplify your work and save time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to DATEIF for more practical Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Let's keep learning and mastering Excel together.